Hello everyone, welcome back to Rafthelsa Vlogs. This is Rafthelsa's DIY tutorials. Today I'm going to show you one of my DIY projects. This is just a review for my DIY mini castle of the Black Forest of Germany. This mini castle is made from the waste cardboard boxes and kitchen rolls, and this boxes is formed or skillfully and carefully trimmed and cut out by Rafthelsa blocks. So here I'm showing you how I created this imaginary castle of the Black Forest. I'm always at the Black Forest, so I'm always watching this castle on the top of the forest, so I was encouraged to create an imaginary castle. So this is it. So what I have been thinking, so I put into reality and I did it now, and I'm proud to show you my finished product or my finished DIY castle of the Black Forest. So this is just an imaginary, and you can see how the old castle is look alike. So you can see here there is a brick style. The brown is like a bricks. That is the design of the building, and there is a post. This post is made of the kitchen rolls covered with a brown paper, and this like an arc. It's like the upper part of the castle. So this is also from the waste material from the boxes. So I just use hot glue to fix this here one by one in order to form this one. So guys, try to learn how to recycle your waste and transform into a unique and beautiful project like this, and through your DIY project you will learn and earn money if you can sell your project. So based in my experience, I'm doing a lot of DIY project. I did many projects already and I sell it. So that is the benefits from recycling and transforming into a unique and beautiful projects like this. So if you want to learn to create different projects like home decorations, fashion accessories, so just check out my playlist and you can find different video tutorials. So I appreciate if you like this video, and I hope this can give you an idea and can help you how to recycle. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next premiere. God bless everyone, and shout out to all of you guys who is always there supporting my channel by watching my videos. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you, and I love you guys. This is my DIY mini castle of Germany from Deutschland. So this is the imaginary castle of the Black Forest in Schramberg, Germany.